Let's meet Dorothy. For the last few weeks, she had been facing great difficulty in opening or closing her garage door. So, she contacted Adams Garage Doors LLC, Springfield's top garage door repair company, and booked a service. Their experts came and suggested replacing the malfunctioning door. With expertise, they replaced the door with a modern and durable one. Dorothy was overjoyed to get high-quality service from them at affordable rates. So, like her, do you also want to hire a top-notch garage door replacement service from them? For free estimates, call 703-623-6766 or visit adamsgaragedoors.llc.com to learn more.